reliable broker or looking to upgrade to a safer broker that values its customers and has a history in the industry? Well guys, look no further than AAA FX. This broker has 14 years industry experience. This means they've been in business from over a decade, and their ability to work with the customer is amazing, as they make the customer success their top priority. AAA FX is an online broker that is based in Athens, Greece, founded in 2008, and it has traders in 176 countries around the world. On their platform, there are over 200 instruments to trade. They offer 3 trading platforms, of which it is the most popular one, MT4, and the next generation platform, MT5, and the most advanced technology platform, XTrader. You can trade using your desktop devices, laptops, iOS, Android cell phone, and tablet, so that you can be able to execute those trades while you're on the move. As of 2022, they are current winners of the most transparent broker by UF Awards. Why should you join them? Well, I'm gonna tell you why I chose to join them. Well, besides having my favorite instruments, which are the currencies, since I'm a forex trader, you also find instruments like indices, which works great for me since I also trade Nasdaq and US 30. There are shares in spot metals and a vast number of other CSDs and commodities you can choose from. When I make my deposit, I receive a 100% deposit bonus, which means I've got nothing to lose but something to gain. And you can make your deposit at the minimum of $100 only. One thing that stands out about them for me, it is that since I'm a forex trader on over 70 currency pairs, they've got 0 pip spread and also 0 commission upon executing your trade. AAA FX team of professionals are available to assist you 24 hours from Monday to Friday for any challenge that you may come across. Furthermore, AAA FX has a Zulu trade copy trade system, which allows you to copy the trade of the professional traders who have been trading in the industry, and also saving you time and hassle of having to analyze and always in front of your screen. So you can just copy any successful trader's trades on their system. As the Zulu trade system ranks each and every trader's success rate over a period of time, you can also copy the trades of that successful trader on that given week. So take it from me, Mr. Forex and beyond, and place your first trade with AAA FX in less than 15 minutes. And before you do that, you're gonna need to register with them, of which it takes only a minute. And these are the following documents that you're gonna need: your ID photo, your proof of residence, and you can deposit instantly using their over 10 methods of deposit available on their system. And from there, you can start your successful trading journey. And for more details or to register, click the link in the description box and start trading, and let your trading journey begin. Good luck.